Hello everyone and welcome back to New Tech. Today we're going to unbox the brand new Xiaomi IMILAB KW66. This is a new smartwatch from the Xiaomi company. In today's video we will see what we have in the box, what we have in the software, what materials is made of. We will run some tests and see if this watch is worth to buy. In the next video we will see how to connect it with Android and iOS, which app does it use, and what option do we have in these apps. So stay tuned for that. So let's begin here immediately. The new Xiaomi IMILAB KW66 offers us 30 days standby and 15 days with normal use with 340 mAh battery. Also, this watch is IP68 waterproof, so it will resist the water while you are washing the hands or doing something else. And it has plenty of options like changing watch faces, notification, health caring like sleep monitoring, heart rate, workout, etc. As you can see in the box, we have the charger, user manual, and the watch itself. The user manuals comes in 5 different languages, which is always a good thing, like I say. So let's get back to the KW66. You can see very good device. It's made from metal in the round. At the bottom we have glass and glass at the top as well, rubber bands like always, and one button. You can see the screen is rounded, 3D curved, which looks pretty good. The brightness is one thing that I notice immediately bad in this watch. You can see we have only this much brightness. Now we are at the top, and I don't think that is enough. In the camera it doesn't show that good. Down we have the messages. We have here the activity for the whole day. Next we have the heart rate, sleeping, you can see hours and minutes, and the date as well. And we have the training for the workouts. Here we have running, walking, cycling, alpinism, yoga, sleeping, tennis, basketball, baseball, badminton, football, rugby, and table tennis. These are the sports, some of the sports that this watch supports. We have the music control, and we don't have anything else in this side. So this is what we have in the IMILAB KW66, and we have here the status, sleeping, stopwatch, messages, and the settings. You can see off, restart, info, and QR code. This is the app list and all the options that we have in this watch. So let's begin immediately with some tests and see what we can try. You can see the training is the first option. We have the running, the first option here. 3-second countdown, and it starts immediately. You can see the battery and the time at the top. We have seconds going here, steps, burn calories, and the heart rate. We have only a few options, but I think these are enough for someone that doesn't do sports regularly. We have next the heart rate. As you can see, it's measuring. We have the first result, very fast result, and we have some statistic in the watch itself, which is a very good thing. So we don't have to go ahead in the app always to see some statistic. You can see highest and lowest as well. And as I always say, these data will be saved in the app for us later to check out what we did from the session. And also we have the whole day heart rate, which we can check out at the end of the day. You can see the watch is still measuring. We have our highest and lowest, and that is what it matters. You can see it keeps going, it keeps measuring. So we have a real-time heart rate in this watch. We don't have anything else to test here. Usually we test the blood oxygen or blood pressure, but in this watch they doesn't exist. So guys, this was all for today's video. I hope you find this video interesting and helpful. If so, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next video with another smart device.